But first, you can dress up or dress down a jean jacket. You can also give this perfect layer a lot of personality, especially when it comes to showing your love for your Kansas City Chiefs.
And this is so perfect for Red Friday. The ladies to show us just how to do it are, of course, oh so lovely blogger Audrey Kuether and blogger Jana Meister from Jana Style Blog. So welcome, ladies. You guys are certainly dressed the part today. I'm just in awe.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, rocking it. Okay, so you've done the Chiefs. She's doing the most over here, Audrey. And Jana, you cannot lose Jana in a crowd because that is so blingy and so beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, these look great. And tell me a little bit about how you found these jackets.
So we've just been noticing a lot of wives and girlfriends of Chiefs wearing them. We've seen bridal parties, you know, bridesmaids and their girlfriends wearing them before.
So are you doing like bride and then, you know, hand of the bride or bridesmaids, something like that?
The whole crew can have one, you know, personalized.
Wow. Yeah, you can really do whatever you want with them. That's what
perfect.
we kind of liked about it. It's cool.
There's no rules at all.
Okay, can we touch on your jackets for a second? Is that a pin? Is that a little bee?
So this one is a pin. We've got pins, we've got iron-ons, we've had a few like little sticker ones.
Yeah,
we got numbers 1-5 right here. So we better get to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start here with this really easy fringe one. I went to the thrift store, got this little kids jacket, cute, kind of like a little vest jean jacket. Because you can even do shirts. You don't have to do a jean jacket. So whatever you really have on hand. And then online, I ordered some fringe, really affordably. You get a bunch for like $8 for each color. And all you do, you need a hot glue gun. You know, you cut it to size, and I like to put it like kind of right on the seam here. So all I'm doing here is gluing on.
She's doing a straight line.
Yeah, trying to anyway. Straight line across. And then it doesn't need to be perfect. All you're doing is laying out your base color, which I'm doing gold at the bottom, and I'll do red on the top. And then you repeat the exact same step right above it.
Wow.
And then from there, you can either leave that as is, or you can add, you know, like on one of these, I did I think it was a Lamar patch that I found online as well, and it matched the color scheme.
And those are perfect because they've got the 60 in there. I noticed it was on your jacket, and that's of course like new for this year, celebrating the 60th
And that was only
anniversary
$9 online, so really, you know.
Yeah, if you plan ahead, you can kind of look for your patches online.
Look at that. How long did that take?
Oh my gosh.
So
and
cute.
you've actually repeated this on the model over there. So that would really show up anytime you lifted your arms.
Yeah, we went down the arm to kind of add a little more flair.
So. Okay. And Jana, you also have another idea over here.
Yeah, so this is lettering, kind of like what Audrey has on the back of her jacket here.
We're spelling out the Chiefs.
Yeah, like these letters just pop and they're so cool. And what we like about them is they're kind of already sticky. They're tacky on the back.
Ooh.
So you can really place them good before you start to iron. And then what we noticed as we ironed them is kind of some of the corners might pop, and we were using the hot glue gun to like fix the corners to make sure they stay on really good, because you don't want to lose a letter at the game.
That's perfect. And you guys have really shown how the letters can be used, but you also found these really fun footballs,
so many options.
even stars.
Yeah.
Like Audrey, that looks like it's about Vivi's size, and if you put stars on, I bet she'd be over the moon.
I think you're right.
You can put anything, MVP, you can really make them your own, so that's what's fun about them.
Okay, so do we want to go ahead and iron this on a bit?
Yeah, do you want to do one?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Okay, so yeah, just
these irons are hot, people.
Make sure the jacket's just flat, and there isn't anything underneath it, because we found out that's the best way to get them to stick.
Okay. And how do you space them out and make sure they're even?
That's like, it's nice that they're sticky already, because you can kind of place them.
Otherwise, they kind of shift. The ones that don't have the sticky back kind of shift while you're ironing, so you just have to be very careful and press firmly.
Where did you get all these supplies? I know you mentioned Amazon with the French.
Local craft stores, we kind of scoured all three of them, and they had a bunch of different patches and all that appliques.
Yeah, every store had something different, which was cool, because we were like, oh, there's different ones here. Like, pull some different flowers and different stars. Everyone had different stars.
Are we doing a good job? I've done 3 letters so far.
And sometimes you wanted to hold down for like 20-30 seconds. We kind of figured that's about a good amount of time. But yeah, we hit up our local Goodwill. You went to Goodwill as well, I believe. And we found all these jean jackets there. So I paid $1.99 for this, and then $5 was the max price. So,
and then one other thing I was wondering. Okay, let's say we're wearing this at the game. We spill a little bit of ketchup. We spill a little bit of something. You know, how do we actually treat these?
Yeah, so you'll want to spot treat them. You don't want to just throw them in the wash, obviously, because there's a lot that could fall off in the wash. So you'll want to hand wash the spots that might have any stains on them. But yeah, so
yeah, just be careful with them. You know, they're a piece of art.
Perfect. They really are. And what about this one? But first, coffee.
I know.
How fun is that for all the caffeine addicts in your life?
And you can also remove them. I found you can peel them off if you work at it. So if you want to swap out something later, you change your mind. So nothing's permanent.
Yeah.
Okay. How does this look? Can we flip this around for the camera?
Oh, I don't know if that one's gonna stay.
This one may not stay, but we're going to try to show you guys. We lost a knee, but you know, that's part of the fun of it, right? How long did it take all you ladies? You guys got together on the weekend to make this?
I think it was about 5-10 minutes per jean jacket. You know, the fringe was the quickest one, but the iron-ons do take a little time because you have to hold down about 30 to 40 seconds per letter.
Yeah,
so.
I was going real fast for TV, and you know what you would have done? You would have just held it down a little bit longer.
Talked and hopefully not forgot about it.
Part of the fun of doing it too, because this is a great like female bonding project.
Yeah, we had a great time together.
Yeah, we thought about like other things too, like paint. You could do so much with them. So yeah,
and
couple hours.
Could we also do it with like a red jacket or a black
jacket?
Yeah,
there's
no rules.
You could even do like a flannel shirt or, you know, something else that you find. I mean, really no rules.
Okay, well, Audrey and Jana, thank you so much for all of that. We're gonna throw it to you, Bill.